If you want to disable dark theme on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I'll show you two ways. So the first way is you just need to swipe down here and long press and click add a control. Now click this search and type dark, then touch this. Now it will be added like this. Now single tap on the empty space. Okay, this is the dark mode option. You just need to off. So it's off on the app, but still if you see the dark mode means you just need to long press on the empty space, edit, customize, and see if this dark theme were turned on. If this turned on, just choose default or clear or tinted. I just choose default. Now you can see it's gone completely. Now the second way is just ask Siri, hey Siri, turn off dark mode. So it's actually very simple. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.